Hi guys, this is Mike. Let's have a quick update about Bitcoin together. In the previous video, I did mention on weekly time frame, it looks like we have got bullish divergence for Bitcoin. According to the RSI, we have got RSI made it from here actually. Made a lower low, but the Bitcoin price made a higher low actually, and because of that on weekly time frame it looks like we have got bullish divergence. But if we switch to the daily time frame, let me tell you what I see on the Bitcoin chart. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin broke above this trend line I have got in here, which worked for several times in here as well as a resistance and support for Bitcoin. Now it got broken one more time, and the price of Bitcoin actually is above this one at the moment. And if the price of Bitcoin get rejected to the downside one more time, I'm expecting this one to work as a support for Bitcoin, because about the 84,000 dollar, $84,800, we have got this support as well for Bitcoin. And if the price of Bitcoin get rejected to the downside one more time, this area, this support line we have got and this trend line we have got in here, they both work, they might work actually as a support for Bitcoin. But at the moment, the price of Bitcoin is above these two momentum we have got. The blue one is 20 MA on daily time frame, and the red one is 200 MA on daily time frame. The price of Bitcoin actually is above both of them at the moment. I'm expecting to get more to the upside because we have got the two momentum below the price of Bitcoin. They both work as a resistance before. The 20 MA on daily time frame work as a resistance for several times, and even the 200 MA work for a few days actually as a resistance for Bitcoin. But now both of them got broken, and the price of Bitcoin with this candle actually broke above these two momentum we have got, now staying above these two momentum. If we get rejected the downside to both $84,800, we have got this yellow trend line, we have got this support area, and we have got both of the moving averages below the price of Bitcoin, and we might see actually a very strong support for Bitcoin about this area. The other thing we have got in here, rejecting the price of Bitcoin to the downside, is actually the March pivot for Bitcoin, which is about $88,400. As you can see, yesterday and day before that, we get rejected to the downside for Bitcoin price. This area is the pivot for Bitcoin. At the moment, Bitcoin is trying to break above and stay above this area. Once that happens, actually the next resistance we have got is $92,000 for Bitcoin, which I'm expecting this one to get broken in April time as well. As the March actually is going to end in the next few days, we are going to see the April pivot for Bitcoin, and we need to find out actually where the pivot is. If the pivot is here, we have got resistance. If pivot is here, actually we have got support, and we just need to see actually where the April pivot is gonna be for Bitcoin. But at the end of that, actually eventually I'm expecting Bitcoin to break $92,000, stay above that, and continue to the upside in April and May time. That was all for me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you in the next video.